Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you upload music on Spotify using your iPhone. So first of all, we're going to open up our Spotify app. Once we do that, let's just go back here. We're going to go to the home page, and on the top right you see this gear icon, which is basically settings. You press on that. Now if you navigate all the way down, right above about, you see this local files option. Press on that and you see this option, a toggle button that says show audio files from this device. If you press this on, all the music that is on your iPhone would be synced to your Spotify. So I'm gonna turn this on real quick, and now we're gonna go back and we're gonna navigate to your library, which is my library, and you see this new folder here that says local files. Now since I do not have any music on my iPhone, it says 0 files, and it says your edit audio files will appear here. So basically you can just download music on your iPhone, and your local files, it will sync your local files with Spotify, and your files are gonna appear here. Next, what you can do is you can just you can long tab that song, or you can press the three dots that appear and you can add it to a new playlist. You can make a new playlist by tapping on the plus button you see on the top right, and you're going to create a new playlist, and you can just add your songs onto that playlist and you can share it. So similar is the case if you're using a PC. Rather, on PC it's much more better because you can customize what songs you want, because there's an option that lets you choose what directory you want, and you can just choose that directory, and Spotify will sync those songs onto your Spotify PC, and you will be able to hear those songs. Also, you can sync your iPhone and PC, and then you can hear songs from both devices on the other device. So that's pretty much about this. So if you have any queries, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one.